In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of embedded YouTube videos in WordPress. We'll work right inside the WordPress Site Editor so you can adjust the look of an existing YouTube embed without touching your theme files. Start by opening the Site Editor for your homepage template. Once you're in, click directly on the embedded YouTube video to select its block. You should see the block toolbar appear above or near the video, along with the settings panel on the side. If you accidentally select a surrounding group or column, click again until the video block itself is highlighted. First, let's look at the width presets. Open the block's width options and choose Max 620px wide. This sets a comfortable, readable maximum width that keeps your video from stretching too far on large screens. It's a great choice for text-heavy layouts where you want the video to feel contained. If you want the video to be more prominent, open the same width menu again and switch to wide width. This expands the video beyond the main content column when your theme supports it, giving it more visual impact while still leaving some margins on the sides. To push it even further, open the menu once more and pick full width. This stretches the video edge to edge across the available space, perfect for bold, immersive sections and hero-style areas. Next, adjust alignment. With the video still selected, open the alignment options and try Align Left. Depending on your theme, surrounding content may wrap to the right. Then choose Align Center to neatly position the video in the middle, which typically looks best for standalone embeds. Finally, test Align Right if your design calls for it. This can work for asymmetrical layouts or side-by-side designs. After previewing those options, set the width back to the style you prefer. For many sites, wide width strikes a nice balance between presence and readability. If you need exact dimensions, open the block's More options and choose Edit as HTML. You'll see the iframe code of the embed. Carefully adjust the width and height values to your desired numbers, keeping a consistent aspect ratio. 16:9 is common, so something like 1280 by 720 or 800 by 450 works well. Make only the changes you intend, and avoid removing required attributes in the iframe. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Then launch or publish so the new sizing goes live on your site. That's it, your embedded YouTube video